My name is Paola. I am 21 years old and I am a graduate in biochemistry from the University of Navarra. I chose to study PCB because it's intellectually stimulating and I find very gratifying trying to make a contribution to society. I am now applying for the Leonardo program because I believe it is an excellent opportunity to develop the knowledge and skills gained during my university studies, as well as acquire new ones. I also think that doing an internship in a laboratory in the United Kingdom would allow me to develop my deep interest in chemical research. During the last year of my degree, I carried out an experimental research project in the University Chemical Laboratory. I developed my knowledge of physical chemistry as I test a cyclodestrine polymer for drug delivery. Additionally, I regularly read up on scientific news, plus I personally find enjoyable and challenging working in a laboratory. I also believe that the United Kingdom is the ideal place to further develop my passion for scientific investigation, as it is one of the leading countries in research and it offers unparalleled facilities and expertise. I consider myself enthusiastic, creative, hardworking, and sociable. I have achieved analytical skills evaluating academic papers in order to produce essays and dissertations. I have also developed IT skills undertaking research projects in the university laboratory. In addition, I have developed team playing skills working on group assessment. I enjoy both listening to what my colleagues have to say as well as expressing my own ideas. Moreover, I have participated in the Sport Talent program of the University of Navarra, and we formed the first women's football team to enter the regional league competition. Additionally, I have gained organization skills by making my sport activities compatible with my studies. Last but not least, I have participated in the Alumni College program to expand my education and personal development beyond the classroom. Activities have included voluntary work with elderly people and lectures on current issues. I am happy to supply any further information you may require. Thank you for your kind attention and consideration, and I look forward to hearing from you.